To protect your Twitter account tweets, you can make your Twitter account private. This 5-minute solution will show you how to make your Twitter account private on iPhone. So follow these quick steps to do it. Open your Twitter. Make sure to log into your account. Tap on this profile at the top left. Tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety. Tap on audience and tagging. And to make your Twitter account private, enable protect your tweets option. And then if I go to my profile, as you can see, the log symbol, and the log symbol means my Twitter account is now private. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.